Xindacheng Plastic Machinery Limited, established in 2000, focuses on innovative plastic machinery and emerging industry technologies relying on its core technologies. With 26-year industry experience, the company continuously breaks through technological barriers, expands application areas, and provides customers with customized plastic machinery system solutions and brand services. As a high-tech, joint-stock enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing technology transfer, production, and sales, the company's product matrix comprehensively covers the plastic extrusion field. Drip irrigation hose packing straps, functional cast film, sheets, pipes, profiles, and other types of plastic extrusion machinery, forming a complete industrial chain. Based on the needs of China's manufacturing transformation and upgrading, the company promotes the progress of the plastic industry through continuous technological innovation. Adhering to a high standard and strict development philosophy, we have successively obtained ISO Triple Management System Certification, Intellectual Property Management System Certification, and EUCE certification, comprehensively building a scientific and rigorous management system and quality standards. Relying on our outstanding technological innovation capabilities, we have obtained 18 invention patents, 85 utility model patents, and 3 design patents. The continuous improvement of our patent portfolio provides a solid guarantee for the company's continuous technological breakthroughs and product upgrades. The company has established a market network covering more than 50 countries and regions worldwide, with products exported to developed countries such as the United States, Canada, and Japan. It also cultivates emerging markets such as the Middle East and Southeast Asia, forming a comprehensive layout across 3 core economic zones: Asia-Pacific, North America, and Europe. Furthermore, through continuous technological innovation and customized solutions, Xindacheng has become a trusted partner for global clients.